car that won't start or a car that's slow to turn over, you'll waste $300 replacing the wrong part. This might not be your battery, so here's how to test your battery and alternator in just a few minutes. With a simple multimeter or a battery load tester. First, find your battery and remove the terminal covers. Grab your multimeter and set it to 12 volts DC. Locate your positive and negative battery terminals. The black lead goes to the negative terminal and the red lead goes to the positive terminal. This is your resting voltage. A healthy battery will read around 12.6 volts or higher. Anything 12.4 or below means it's a partially charged battery. Anything around 12.2 or lower could mean that you have a weak battery. With the 12.29 volt reading that I got with the truck off, that tells me that the battery isn't fully charged. But this next step tells us something more important: whether the alternator is actually charging it. It's the same exact test here: black to negative, red to positive. A healthy charging system will read between 13.5 and 14.5 volts with the engine running. That means the alternator is doing its job and actively charging the battery.
That is charging.
Now this right here is the real test. This is what tells you if your battery is actually healthy and not just holding surface voltage. A multimeter only tells you static voltage. It doesn't tell you how your battery performs when the car is actually running and the battery's being used. And that's when batteries fail, when they're being used, not just sitting still. I'm selecting battery test with the engine off. Next, it asks for battery type. Well, this battery that I have here is an AGM. You can find the battery information, the cold cranking amps, and the battery type on the sticker on the top of the battery. Cold cranking amps is how much current the battery can deliver at 0 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds without dropping below 7.2 volts. This battery is rated at 800 cold cranking amps. If you don't enter the correct cold cranking amps here, your test results mean nothing. Press enter and a test runs. Well, good news, this battery passes. If you have a bad battery, the screen will display and look something like this, and replacement is definitely recommended. This lets you know that a battery can display 12.3 volts on a multimeter and still fail this test. Now with the tester still hooked up, we're going to go ahead and test the charging system. Select charging tests and it prompts you to start the engine. With the tester still connected, press enter to run the test. It then prompts you to increase the engine speed to 2500 RPM. Press enter again to complete running the test. With a green charging normal displayed on the screen, you know that the battery is being charged as it should and the alternator is still good. If your results look like this, it's time to replace your alternator. All that's left to do is remove the battery terminal connectors and put any terminal covers back on. If your battery reads good voltage with the engine off and about 13.5 to 14.5 volts with the engine running, your alternator is charging correctly. But if the battery fails the load test, like this, then you know with 100% certainty that it's time to replace your battery. More straightforward automotive content right here on In Overdrive.